Hi, I'm Chris from Optimal Web Design. I have over 19 years of experience in the search engine optimization industry. Today, I'm going to show you one of the online tools I use to track my customers' rankings for their key terms. Please note, there are many different tools like this online. It is highly advisable that when you are optimizing your own site, that you use a tool like this to ensure that you can track your rankings and the potential changes that have been made to your site that are affecting these rankings. This particular tool is called SEO Ranking. It's a fantastic tool. I've used it for a number of years. Links down in the description. They offer a 2-week free trial on their service. This tool does a number of things. Today I'm just going to run through the main one that I use it for, which is tracking my customers' rankings. This is for a leaking shower repair company based down in Perth. Okay. Further down the page here, I've listed the client's different key terms that I am optimizing for this particular client. And across to the right, I can see the search volume. This search volume refers to the number of searches that were done at Google last month for the keyword that is adjacent to it. The URL, so the actual page that is being linked to, and then the different dates here. If you choose to use this SE ranking tool, you can go through the video tutorials. There is a number of different filters you can add. You can also add all this other information, cost per click, competition, traffic forecasts, and so on. I simply place my filters and columns that work best for me here. If you've got any questions about this, just please place it down in the comments in the video. One of the things that I love about this tool, it's very easy to track over different periods of time. If I were to track for over the last year, I can come down here. I can look at the search volume. So with this particular one, these two, they have quite a number of searches being done for them. Next to the keyword, there is a little toggle button. If I'm to click on this toggle button, will then display over the last 12 months or from when the customer initially started with me, and I've implemented their data here. In this case, from November 11th, which is when the client engaged my services, through to the September the 9th, which is today's date of making this video. As you can see, back here, I can see that their original position, I do apologise, not sure what's going on here. And just click on this little toggle button, and I can see their rankings over this period of time. I can see when they initially started with me, they were not in the top 10 pages. As you can see here, this refers to the top 100 results, 10 results per page. You'll then see on March 20th that all of a sudden their ranking went to the second page, around halfway, just below halfway, position 14. So I've made a number of changes to their homepage. I would have submitted, this is the page that's been returned in this case, would have submitted those to Google via Search Console on the date that I made those changes on March 19th. The following day, those changes have been picked up by Google and their ranking has now come onto the second page. There is a big drop back to not in the top 100 the following day, and then following on from this, it's pretty consistent. Okay, saying more than likely with such a big drop the next day that the page, for whatever reason, has gone offline, going off these results that we can see here. And I can track all these results. So this is the important thing. When you make changes to your site, submit them via Google Search Console, come back a day or two later and use a tool such as SE Ranking to see whether it's done a positive or a negative change in your results. Okay, and then you may wish to adjust the pages bit by bit. Now that we're at position 3 for this client, I'm making small changes on a daily basis to ensure that if there is a negative effect, I can clearly see what has made that negative effect and adjust it, or if it is a positive position change, we can continue on with that. If you've got any questions regarding this particular tool or this video in general, please place your comments below the video. Thank you. If you're wanting to learn more on how to best search optimize your website, I've created a search engine optimization academy with easy to follow video tutorials and further information on how to best optimize and implement these optimization techniques onto your website to generate the best possible search results for your business today.